Welcome back to Posse Empowerment.
And welcome to Exploring the Style Design-Based Architecture series.
I'm Lidu.
And I'm Kema.
We are the co-founders of Little Steam. This week's video is all about the art behind architecture.
Let's get into the video.
Kema, wait, we forgot something.
Did we forget, Lidu?
You know, the thing that's going on in the world right now?
Make sure to social distance, wear a mask, and stay clean.
And last but not least, stay safe. Let's get on to the video. So you said this is the Exploring the Style Design-Based Architecture series, right? Shouldn't we explain to our viewers what architecture is first?
Well, architecture is this art and science behind planning, designing, and constructing houses and other buildings.
Oh, so it could be as simple as a house or even as difficult as Leaning Tower of Pisa?
Yep. And today we're going to go over technical drawing, modeling, and architectural styles.
Start with technical drawing.
Well, technical drawing is the way we communicate with contractors and manufacturers in order to understand how to build something and to construct things like buildings and highways and cars.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. They also use things like blueprints, models, and diagrams.
Yeah, imagine they had to use blueprints to create the Eiffel Tower or even lay out cities.
This way, architects can turn their designs into something everyone can understand and build.
Lidu, get the Legos and some paper. Let's build a design and draw it out so that we can all see it.
You got it, Kema.
Okay, what's next?
Modeling. Modeling is a built, scaled-down version of the necessary details of a system.
Oh, so pretty much like our Legos creations. So first is technical drawing, then modeling.
Yep. Real architects also have to take in other factors when they are building, like weather, purpose, and many other things.
Well, the purpose of my creation is kind of just to be like a little tiny place where someone could live.
The purpose of my creation is to sort of act like a robot, so if you want something to transport around your house, you can use it.
Wow, that's really cool. We should probably go on to the next topic. We've been talking about Legos forever.
Yeah. Okay, we have one more. What's architectural style?
Well, architectural style is just the external influence of a building using things that help identify it, like the characteristics and in a historical context as well.
Whoa, that's a lot. So basically, it's just the style of a building?
Yep, pretty much. And there's so many different styles out there, like modern, bohemian, Victorian, and so many more.
So it's basically like fashion just for buildings. That's cool.
Hey, I'm Karis, the art curriculum developer. I provide some of the information behind the videos that Lidu and Kema make. Today, I bring to you a few fun facts about art behind architecture. First, when you think of architecture, you may think of the physical drawings or blueprints that outline the different designs of architectural structures. These can also be called technical drawings. Second, architectural style is a collection of different features, elements, and methods used to form a historical or well-known style. Examples can include the ancient Greek and Roman, Gothic, and Renaissance styles. Third, architectural elements are the features that make up architectural style. These can include arches, domes, columns, crests, and even doors.
Wow, we learned a lot today, all about technical drawing, modeling, and architectural style.
And remember, if you have any questions, make sure to go out and research or ask someone.